Hey, nobody is hanging around today. Let me drive along and check other street. Haha! Finally, here comes someone. Hey, brother, can you wait for a while? Are you calling me? Oh my God! Why didn't you watch where you are going? How could you do this to me? You were driving your motorbike. Look! How bad I was hit! When did I hate you? I didn't drive. I can't even move my legs. Cow Zombie, why didn't you admit that you hit him to the ground? It's not what you think. He couldn't even move. Alright. What do you want? We are all busy. Calling the place is wasting time. It will be fine if you pay me some medical expense. How much do you want? At least $1,000. All I have is $500. Take it or leave it. Okay, it's fine. No! That's my motorbike! Hey, I paid money for you. The motorbike is something too much for you. I lost so much this time. The less important motorbike.